In this video, I'll guide you through how to customize Shopify email templates using Klaviyo. Whether you're looking to enhance your email communications or simply want to add a personal touch to your transactional emails, this tutorial will make the process straightforward and efficient. So let's dive right in and transform those standard Shopify emails into something that truly represents your brand. First, we're going to navigate to the templates section within Klaviyo. To do this, look over at the left sidebar of your Klaviyo dashboard. There, you'll see an option labeled Content. Click on that and then go to Templates. Here, you'll find the option to create a new template. If you prefer, you can also browse through Shopify templates to explore a library of pre-built transactional layouts. This is a great starting point if you want some inspiration or need a quick setup. Once you've decided on the specific template type you want to build, it's time to get creative. Design and customize your email template to align with your brand's aesthetics. Klaviyo offers a range of tools to help you with this, such as drag and drop features for adding images, text, and buttons. Take your time here to ensure everything looks just right. Remember, the goal is to create a seamless experience for your customers that feels personalized and professional. After you're satisfied with your design, the next step is to export the HTML code. Klaviyo makes this simple. Once your design is complete, find the option to export the HTML code and copy it to your clipboard. This code is what you'll use to update your Shopify email template. Now, open a new browser tab and log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in, navigate to the settings by clicking the gear icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. From there, go to Notifications and then to Customer Notifications. This section houses all the default email templates that Shopify uses to communicate with your customers. Find the email title that corresponds with the template you just created. For instance, if you designed an order confirmation email, look for that specific email title. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can edit the code. In the top right corner of this window, you'll see an option to Edit Code. Click on it, and you'll notice the existing code for the email. Select all the code in that window and delete it completely. This step is crucial as it ensures you're starting with a clean slate where your custom design will take center stage. Now, paste the HTML code you copied from Klaviyo into this empty code window. Double check to ensure all your code is pasted correctly. Once you're satisfied, click Save. By doing this, you've successfully integrated your custom designed email from Klaviyo into Shopify. And there you have it, you've just customized a Shopify email template using Klaviyo. This method not only allows you to personalize your emails, but also ensures that your customer communications are consistent with your brand's identity. Feel free to revisit and adjust your templates as necessary. Remember, the key to effective communication is not just in the content, but in how it's presented as well. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing your e-commerce experience. Happy customizing!